Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best drugstore contour kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we all have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 10, we have the Milani Baked Blush. It comes with a shimmery finish and provides the right amount of color and contour to the cheeks. The budget-friendly contour kit is not tested on animals and can be easily applied with a contour brush when contouring the face. Here's a brief review video detailing a tester's experience to help you learn more about this product. Moving on, at number 9, we have the Aesthetica Cosmetics Cream Contour and Highlighting Makeup Kit. You can use this highlighting and contouring kit for various skin tones. It comes with instructions for using the contour and highlights on different face shapes. It contains 6 shades of cream for contouring, 3 illuminating shades and 3 creams, concealer shades. Check out this simple review video to understand the product and how it works. At number 8, we have the NYX Professional Makeup Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. With this contour palette kit that has 8 colors, you get professional-grade highlights and contouring. The colors are creamy and can be blended effortlessly and deliver a soft matte finish. Here's a review video that demonstrates how to use this product every day to yield a natural finish. At number 7, we have the Contour Kit and Highlighting Powder Palette by Elizabeth Mott. Available in 6 shades in powder form, the shades in this kit offer complete contouring solutions. Unlike their contour stick counterparts, the powders are designed for easy application and blending, and 3 shades are ideal for providing highlights. At number 6, we have the E.L.F. Cream Contour Palette. This contour and highlighter palette features 4 primary shades, making it the best drugstore contour kit, which is vegan-friendly and cruelty-free too. The creamy colors of this tried and tested palette can be built up, blended, and are ideal for a variety of light and darker shades. At number 5, we have the SmashBox Step-by-Step Contour Kit with Light Medium Brush. This is one of the best drugstore contour makeup kits that comes with a contour brush. The palette is ideally suited for light and medium skin tones and can be used to contour, highlight, and bronze your face easily. So, you can easily try out your favorite celebrity-inspired makeup look. At number 4, we have the Profusion Cosmetics Mini Artistry Highlight. This drugstore highlight and contour palette includes 6 colors, making it easy to create different looks. With this affordable contour kit, you can create the perfect contour. At number 3, we have the Makeup Revolution Ultra Cream Contour Palette. The high-pigmented contour palette by Makeup Revolution can help make your jaw and cheekbones look chiseled. This creamy palette has 8 diverse shades, such as peachy pink, beige, and coffee brown, making it suitable for all skin tones. Moreover, this beauty contour palette has a blendable consistency, making it easy to get that contoured look. At number 2, we have the Sleek Makeup Face Contour Kit. This 2-color contour kit is ideal for light or very light skin tones. It has a highlighter powder with a light shimmer, while the contour ensures the cheekbones and other areas are defined well and stand out. And finally, at number 1, we have the Profusion Cosmetics. This contouring and highlighting kit comes in 6 colors to provide a luminous shine to the skin. The set features a matte contour shade to let you highlight your best features, and the colors can be blended as per individual preference. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.